Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. All my old subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thanks for always tuning in. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. Thanks for supporting this channel. So if you are a passerby or you just stumbled on my video for the first time, do well to join this community, to subscribe to this channel after watching the video. So guys, in this tutorial we are doing a body braids, okay? 5 roses body braids, okay? So the first one I did, check my previous hair tutorial, it was just body braid, so the trendy body braid, okay? So but I decided to, I've seen this one as well on Instagram or on YouTube short, I don't know, I can't remember. So but I decided to recreate it, these 5 rows, I wanted to say 5 rows. So I tried to recreate it because it's so cute and beautiful. So but I don't want a situation whereby a client to come and show me the picture and I can't recreate it. So I decided to recreate it on my princess's hair to be sure of my capability, okay? So guys, this hair came out so nice. I like it, I loved it, okay? So please sit back and watch till the end. Don't forget to like this video, comment, put your thoughts at the comment section, and if there is any hair tutorial you want to see on my channel, please drop it at the comment section, okay? So I'll be glad to share different hairstyles with you, hair tutorial. And this video is very easy to learn, okay? From this video to learn your body braid, this is beginner friendly, like detailed video, like it's so easy. This hairstyle, you see how I section it, just focus on the sectioning, okay? So you see how to, it's not difficult, just focus on the sectioning and how I cross the braids, okay? So because I didn't speed it that much, so sit back and watch. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, follow me on my Instagram page, _gallery. There you see beautiful hairstyle. So on this channel, I don't only do hairstyle video, I do dancing video. Like on my short you see most dancing video, worship video as well, and I also create do fashion idea videos, okay? You see them on my channel. So soon guys, I'll be creating a playlist for different videos, okay? So please guys, sit back and watch till the end. Don't forget to like, comment and put your thoughts at the comment section, guys. I would like to see your thoughts at the comment section, okay? So let's grow this community, guys. Let's take this community to another level. We all are going to learn from this channel, guys, and I'll see you. Stay back and watch till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.